Hey friend, Andrea here. And if you're a homeschooling mom who's been searching for a way to bring in income without sacrificing your time, your energy, or your presence with your kid, this video is exactly what I wish someone had handed to me years ago. I was stuck, I was tired, and honestly, I was a little bit defeated, trying to piece together random online gigs that never really seemed to actually work. But then I discovered 5 simple, powerful secrets that helped me go from barely surviving to working just 2 hours a day, creating a daily income flow and finally feeling like my time was mine again. So grab your kombucha or your coffee. Let's be real. Maybe it's even cold from this morning. And let's dive into the 5 things that flipped the script for me so you can skip the years of struggle and start building freedom on your terms. So let's start with the thing that changed everything for me. It's learning the skill set of digital marketing. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me just say this. I'm not techie. I didn't go to school for this. And I definitely didn't grow up dreaming of funnels and email automations. But learning how to actually market online is the one skill that finally helped me build something real. And we're not just talking side cash. This is with intention. Income that can grow, that can scale, and actually run without me having to be on my phone 24/7. Once you learn this, you can promote anything: a course, a product, a service, your own offer, or someone else's. It's like giving yourself a money-making superpower. And I learned it using a blueprint that walked me through step by step, even with kids running wild in the background. And if I can do this while homeschooling full-time, so can you. Now, secret number 2. This one gave me my life back, my time back, my mental health back, my happiness back. And this is, think of it as a digital team that's working for you while you're doing life, while you are spending your time exactly how you choose. So whether we're doing a math lesson at the kitchen table, reading on the couch, watching a movie, taking my boys to the park, or just soaking in those precious few moments of quiet, my systems are running. My content is selling. My links are up there and working. And this is what shifted me, what shifted my belief and my mindset from I have to work to my business runs even when I'm not working, to my business runs even when I don't. The best part, I did not even have to build this from scratch. The blueprint came with all the automations already done. All I had to do was plug it in. Secret number 3 is where the magic meets the money: selling digital products with master resale rights. Okay, what does that even mean? Let me break it down for you. I purchased a digital marketing education program, learned real skills from it, and now I'm able to turn around and resell the exact same product for 100% profit. I didn't have to create the product. I don't have to carry inventory. And I didn't need to stress about shipping, returns, or customer service. And it came with live coaching, tech support, and a whole community of people, so many of them that are moms just like us. Finally, this was a business that makes sense. Secret number 4. Okay, real talk here. I used to chase every shiny thing: MLMs, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, freebie funnels, printable packs. I was tired before I even started, but nothing clicked because I kept starting over every time it got hard. Secret number 4 is that pick one proven system and go all in. But I'm going to make a side note here and say this does not mean that this is one stream of income. In fact, it is quite the opposite. There are many people inside our community that have dozens of streams of income as a result of learning this program and implementing it. When I stopped jumping from idea to idea and focused on just one, mastering just one strategy, this strategy, that's when everything changed. Because you don't need 10 things. You just need one thing that works. And you need to give it your focus, even if it's just 2 hours a day. Okay, this last one might hit deep for you. Secret number 5, stop trading time for dollars. I used to believe that the only way to earn more, was to work harder, was to hustle harder, was to put more hours in. And before I had kids, I could just work more to earn more money, but I was hitting burnout. And the truth of the matter is, if you're always trading hours for income, you will always be capped out. There will always be a limit, and burnout is inevitable. The combination of using digital marketing and automations helped me build something that earns. Even when I'm offline, even when I'm just being a mom, the most important job in the world, by the way. And for the first time, my income wasn't eating into my family time. It was actually supporting it. So if you're still watching, I invite you to take the first step. I've got a free guide that's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint. And this shows you the exact strategy I followed to build this 2-hour workday. You'll find it right below this video. There's also a free webinar where you can see how this whole thing works behind the scenes. No fluff, no gimmicks. I wish someone had handed this to me a year ago when I felt like I was failing, but I found this when I was almost ready to give up. And so I'm handing it to you now. You do not need to figure it all out on your own. You don't need to be techie. You just need to start. You have dreams, mama, and those dreams are important. And I believe in you because we know what it's like to believe in everybody else's first. Let this be the year that you choose you and have that choice support your family too. So if I can do it with 2 boys, homeschooling full time, I believe in you. You can do it too. Even if you have no following, even if you have no tech skills, I believe in you. So I'll see you in the webinar. And if you enjoyed this content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on a thing. Hit that like button and share this video with a mama who is also looking for a way out. See you next time.